Thursday morning, guys. Look at all these pipes. Ooh, wait. Glad I'm not getting those. I think they put like 30 something on there when you get these little pipe. But we are on the pipe side at Ameritex. And I'm getting 14 30-inch pipe. So I don't know if you can see, but I set my dunnage out. There's my stopper dunnage. And, well, there's a whole row going all the way up. So this may hold all 14. So when you calculate 30 inches, I think it comes out to like 35 feet. But they're not exactly 30 inches. So the hole is the 30 inch. Then you have excess concrete on both sides. So the actual pipe is a little wider than 30 inch. So I don't know exactly how much it is, but so I got 5 dunnages out. So that's what, 40 foot? Am I adding right? Wait, I don't know. I can't even think in the morning. I can't add or anything. But we're gonna find out if I got enough dunnages. If I need to, these 30 inches, they're pretty small, so you can double stack them on the trailer. I can't remember the biggest I've double stacked. Maybe 42. No, yeah, I don't even know. But they're loading Charles up there. Oh, let's go see what Charles got. They got a Ameritex truck in front of him. I think Nate should be up there getting loaded. So Charles and Nate, I know for sure we're going to the same place. But well, let's go see Charles and see what's up. All right, so we're at the job site. This is the airport. This truck has already tried 3 times and it keeps spinning trying to get out. It's a little hill. Let's see if he gets out this time. He did it. Oh, he's barely making it. Let's see this other truck. Wait on the guy to show up. I don't know if we got to go down in there or what. I hope not. Let's see if this truck makes it okay. They're spinning all the way coming out. So let's see. I'll check back here in a second. Okay, they're gonna want us down there. Oh, we hope we can make it. We're spinning. So we made it down. I wasn't worried about making it down. I'm worried about making it up. I see everybody else spinning and they got 4-wheel drive. They can lock their differentials. I can't. So let's see how this works out. Get these last few pipes off. see if we can get out of here. Ooh, wee. Come on, Money Pit. Don't stop. Oh no! Oh shit, she died. I think I hit the key somehow. Let's see, come on. Got traction? Nope. Fuck this shit. Time. Damn. Let's back down. We're gonna do it one more again. Come on, big girl. Damn, fuck this shit. back at Ameritex, man. We barely got out. He had to get the loader and push me from the trailer at the back end. Man, we got to go back there again. Hopefully, maybe it might be a little bit better, or if not, I'll just try it one time. And if I start spinning, I'm gonna have him push me on out. Pushing me out wasn't that bad. It's not like it's a rough deal, but it's better than my wheels spinning and I'm hopping around like that, you know. Everything, you know, just tires like skirt, 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 skirt. And you just start hopping. But yeah, I think I don't know how I hit the key or something, but that's why the truck died. What the fuck? But yeah, everything seems to be fine. No issues. You know, that's the only thing with these job sites. You never know what you're going to get into. Sometimes they're excellent, and sometimes they're crappy, just like that. I mean, that wasn't really crappy. It's just, I mean, if I had my, was able to lock my differentials, you know, have all my wheels spinning, it would have been easy. But yeah, that's, you know, on my bucket list, I wouldn't say bucket list, a long list of repairs that I got to do. Got to get my differentials looked at and done, and get my four-wheel drive fixed, but I have to do this turbo first, all this other stuff. So we are getting 21 pipe. Oh wait, there's gonna be a lot of pipe. They're 24 inch. They're all 8-footers. I got one 6-footer and one 4-footer, a little mini one. But they're getting all kinds of different size pipe over there. I don't know what's going on. But it is for the airport, the DFW airport. That's where we were. That's all I got to report right now, really. Just gonna get loaded and make my way over there. On the way down there, I took the tollway because, you know, it's rush hour traffic and, you know, it's just tolls all the way. And on the way back right now, I went all the way around and, you know, went 35, 635, all the way up to 75 up here. No tolls. I'm probably going to go back down that way. No tolls. And I don't know. I don't know if I want to try and do another load, but I haven't checked the weather to see if it's going to rain or not. It's a little overcast. We'll see. Charles did make it back before me, and he was getting unloaded after me, so I'm sure he took the tolls all the way back. But hey, got to save every dollar where I can. What else? Yeah, nothing else right now. So let's see. Let's see if we can get loaded. Charles ain't making it. Look at this. Look. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Man, that's what I had to do earlier. Got you on YouTube?
I knew I wasn't gonna get up, but I tried it. I was looking on your YouTube.
I am.
Yeah, man. Bullshit. Bullshit.
He's telling you to go that side. Damn, and he's got four-wheel drive. Oh, no. Oh. Yep, yep. Oh no, oh no. Don't fall off the side. Damn. It is Friday. So we just got loaded. We're over here at Fabco. It's Grand Prairie. I guess with the threat of rain last night, scared everybody. So the low bore was slow. All that Ameritex concrete, they didn't ship out. So luckily they got this rebar load. They had me come pick it up. And right after I was almost completely loaded, they're like, oh, hey, it's going to be a while. We don't know, when you can deliver yet, but we'll let you know. So I'm like, damn. So this is going off of Interstate 20 and 35 somewhere. I guess all the road construction. So they don't know exactly what location yet. But I just got strapped up. I'm going to head to Fort Worth. It's about 25 miles from here, so I don't know, 28, 30 minutes maybe. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some fuel and stay somewhere. I think there's a QT not too far from there, so that's where we're gonna go. Let's roll. All right, so we're here at Quick Trip. Got me 400 bucks. Fuel is $3.69 a gallon. So this is near where the last place they delivered, the drop pin. So I'm hoping I'll be somewhere close by. But I'm gonna stage here. I'm gonna park somewhere and wait till they're ready and give me a call. All right, so we got unloaded. I forgot the video. It really wasn't much to it. But we did stay for 2 hours at that QT. And yeah, it was boring just sitting there. But I got an extra 100 bucks out of it, for waiting there. That load ended up paying 600 bucks. Not too bad, just driving 25 miles. It's not really much out there anyway, so. But anyways, let's go over the recap. Monday, I did 3 loads, which was great. And that paid me 1,500 bucks. And then the next day, a little slow, did 1 load that paid $550. Wednesday, did two loads. Paid $1,000, 500 each. Thursday, same thing, 2 loads, 500 each. 1,000 bucks, and then today 600 bucks. So all in all, I made 4,650 bucks, and I got fuel twice. So I got fuel right now while I was at QT waiting there, because I was like just 5 minutes from where I was delivering. I knew I was gonna have to get fuel Monday, so I'm like, well, I'm here, might as well just get fuel so I don't have to worry about it Monday. So I technically didn't need the fuel. So I could have just got away with 400 bucks for the whole week, making 4,650 bucks. But so when you subtract the 800 bucks, we're left with 3,850 bucks. That's what I get to keep. That's what I get to play with. That's what I get to use to spend on my bills at home, my repairs, whatever. Yeah, this week wasn't too exciting, but it was a decent week. With that concrete. Monday I did 3 of those loads. And that's what I used to do like 2 summers ago. Every day. So it was a lot better. But one day it will get that way again, I believe. Maybe not with just the concrete, but just being that busy. It's just a horrible economy right now. It's got to make the best of it. But anyways, I do appreciate all you guys, all you new subscribers. Thanks for, hitting that subscribe button and liking these videos and commenting on them. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot. I never thought, I think we're at like 1,700 subscribers. I never thought I would even reach 1,000, let alone, 1,700. So I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please, if you don't mind, I'm doing this just to show you guys what it's really like out here, and to hopefully, which is not much, make a little bit extra money to help provide for my family. So if you like that, you like families, and want to help me succeed, please subscribe and watch the videos and like them and make comments, good or bad. Some of you guys are negative out there, but most of you guys are pretty positive, and it does help me. It makes me feel good about what I'm doing. Because some days, I'm not gonna lie, I mean, really, I just don't want to. I don't want to make videos. You know, I'm like, you know, you're just in a mood where you just want to get your day over with and go home, or maybe having a bad day, or you have a breakdown. You know, I mean, the last thing you're thinking about is like, let me video this. Let me show everybody the troubles I'm going through. So, you know, when you guys do, you know, give me positive comments, it makes me feel good. It makes me, you know, stop and think like, hey, these people like to see what it's really like out here. You know, not just the good and, you know, oh, everything's great and shiny. Look at, you know, look what I got. It's not that way. You know, I struggle just to pay bills and, you know, fix these little things on the truck. You know, there's still a long laundry list of things I need to do. And, you know, just, I can't do them. I mean, I know there's a lot of people out there, you know, whether it's your house or your vehicle or whatever, there's stuff that you need to do, but you can't. You got to wait till the right opportunity. Wait till you get money or, you know, whatever it may be. I'm in the same boat. Just because I own my own truck and trailer doesn't mean I'm just balling out of control. I wish, you know. I wish it was like all these other guys on YouTube, man. You know, buying other trucks and, you know, just they make it seem so easy. Which maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing everything wrong. I don't know. But we're going to figure this out together. So, like I said, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please, you know, subscribe and like the video and shoot me a comment. And also, if you ever see me out there, please stop me. Say hi and let me know that you watched the video. I mean, that just makes my day. And if you want to, I'll put you on the video, you know. So, this is the weekend, you know. For all you new people, I don't work the weekends. I just work Monday through Friday. I go home every single day. I love my family. I don't want to be over the road. I've already done that. I have 2 older boys that I miss them growing up, and now that I have younger kids again, I'm not gonna do that. So I really value my home time with my family, and you know, I just wanted to show you guys because there's a lot of people out there like that you know, don't want to be gone and, you know, want to be a truck driver but doesn't want to be over the road for months or weeks at a time and only come home for a day and a half. So this is what it's really like being a local driver. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my weekend and hopefully you'll enjoy yours too. So let's do this again next week. If you don't mind, join me again.